Hello, this is Ami Diamond. In this episode, I'd like to show you how we can control the appearance of a list or a library, if it's modern or classical, and we can do that also from the site level of the site features. So let's see how we do it. So I'm here in a document library, and if I go to the gear icon and click the library settings, I'll click more settings in order to get to the settings. And now under general settings, we go to advanced settings. If we scroll down, we will see actually list experience. So you see that this list experience is actually the new one. We can change it to the classical, or we can change it to the default, which comes from the site. So let's change it from to classical. Now, usually we won't want to do that, but in some cases we have no choice. So let's just refresh it, and you see this is the classical appearance. But just think if for each list and library and everything we need to go one by one, then that's a bit of a big job. So for that, we also have a site collection feature. So I will click on the gear icon and I will go to site information and view all site settings, and we will have under site collection admin, we will look for a site collection feature. Now here I will look for the feature which is called Share List and Libraries Experience. So it says by activating the feature to turn off the new SharePoint list experience. So if we activate it on the site level, we will only use the classical. Now in most cases, again, modern appearance is better, but you never know what are the requirements. So if now I go, for instance, to this document library, okay, this was set on a level, but if I create now a new list, for instance, it will show it to us by the classical, because the site is this is what. Now just to see what was the settings, if the settings are that it takes the default, then that's why it's doing it. Okay, because the default when you create a new list or library is using the site, then it takes the site feature. So it mostly would be used if you have a classical site and you want maybe to make it all modern. So to remove on the site level, actually all we need to do is to go to the site settings. So I'll click on the gear icon. We can go also through site content, and you see even the site content is different. Let's go to settings. Let's go to the features. Here we go, and we will deactivate it, and then everything will be back to modern. So I'll click here, deactivate. Are you sure? Yes. And we're now back to business. Where's the list that I was looking? Don't remember, but this is already modern, and so is this. So this is the tip I wanted to show you, and you can use it as you like. Goodbye.